teacher. Okay, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound oo. It's letter sound oo. This is a story of letter sound oo. A girl is visiting her great aunt, who has a big house and a large friendly cat called Noodle. It will soon be 3 o'clock, and the girl goes to wake by the cuckoo clock. On the hour, a small wooden door opens, and a little wooden cuckoo pops out. Ooh, 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 it cries. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound oo. It's letter sound oo. This is letter sound oo, and this one how you write letter sound oo. Letter sound oo, and how you write letter sound oo. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the action of letter sound oo. Okay, you need to move your head back and forth like this, and then pretend like you are a cuckoo in the cuckoo clock while you saying ooh, 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 ooh. Can you do that? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's refine the things that has letter sound ooh. Okay, first we have roof, roof, and then spoon, spoon. The next one is a boots, boots, and the last one moon, moon. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's listen to the sound of letter sound ooh. Let's go, music.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
One more time.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Write letter sound oo in each word. The first one, this is a picture of roof. Let's retrace letter oo in the word roof. Start, make a circle like this. Yeah. 2 times. This is letter sound oo. Next, this is a picture of boots. Boots also has letter sound oo. Next, this is a spoon. Can you say spoon? Yeah. Follow the dot to make a letter sound oo. And the last one, this is a picture of moon. Moon. Moon also has letter sound oo. Okay, we done. Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all about letter sound oo. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.